Welcome to our Suntable unboxing video. Please take note that this is a high-functioning working prototype of Suntable. Production units will have several refinements, including a rubber button and cover for the USB port. Suntable not only comes in this beautiful box, but it also only takes about 5 minutes to install. First, open your new Suntable box. Next, pull out the stem. After that, you can remove all the cardboard pieces. Next, remove the tabletop with induction charger and speakers. This is all one piece. The base is located on the bottom of the box. Please remove the base. After unboxing, you will notice your new Suntable comes in 3 parts: the base, the stem, and the tabletop with speakers. You will find an Allen wrench and a screw to attach the base. You can either charge your Suntable indoors with the provided AC outlet charger, which is superb for rainy days, or you can just set your Suntable outdoors and let the sun do the work for you. Push the stainless steel screw through the base and rotate the stem onto the screw. This will take about 1 minute. Turn until firmly in place. Take the Allen wrench and gently tighten the stem to the base. Next, pick up your tabletop with speakers and slide it onto the base. And there you have it, your fully assembled Suntable. If you would prefer to charge your Suntable indoors for the first time, you can easily plug it into a wall outlet for the night. To charge your phone on Suntable's induction charger, simply place your phone on the charging station and you will see that it begins to charge immediately. The indicator light will slowly pulsate when charging. Suntable has 6 buttons. First, the power button. That little sound means your Suntable is on. Below the power button is the Bluetooth button, which is used to connect to your phone. You will hear a Bluetooth pairing sound when pressed. Volume up and volume down are located to your right, and in the middle, the number 1 button is used for linking Suntables when you have more than one. The number 2 button is reserved for a nightlight. Connecting your phone to Suntable is a cinch. First, open your settings. Next, turn on Bluetooth. Find your Suntable device, ShadeCraft, simply click it, open your music, and start playing. It's that easy. And if you want to charge your phone while you're playing music, you can do that too. You can also easily reduce or increase the volume on the device itself. When maximum volume is achieved, Suntable will let you know with a friendly beep. Suntable's induction charger is cleverly located beneath the table. keeping your phone cool in the shade and safe from spills. The solar panel is located on the top of Suntable. It's designed so that even if you place an object on top of the table and partially cover the solar panel, the table will still charge. However, it is important not to cover the entire solar panel. It is called Suntable for a reason. Another cool feature is the polycarbonate surface, which protects the solar panel underneath. Water is easily deflected and safely runs off the edges away from your phone, keeping it sheltered and dry, even in the rain. That's our Suntable unboxing. So now, you can start letting the power of the sun charge your phone, speakers, and other devices, all while listening to 360 degrees of beautiful dynamic sound by JBL. I can't think of a better reason to step outside.